WinBuilder is a free application designed to build and customize boot disks based on Microsoft Windows. The main advantage of WinBuilder is the relative ease of use, friendly GUI. Download WinBuilder from this link. Run the file you downloaded. Download Windows 10 ISO from this link. Extract Windows 10 ISO file. Select the Windows 10 sour folder. Select source directory. Click Run to start WinBuilder. The program will start processing scripts. Wait until it finishes. Your live USB should be created as an image, in your ISO folder, which is in your WinBuilder folder, which you then need to burn as an image onto a USB. Visit rufus.ie and download Rufus tool. Merge ISO and USB key. Open Rufus or the tool you want to use to merge the ISO file to the USB key. Click Start and let the process finish. The USB drive is OK, so all you need to do is safely remove it from your PC, then insert it into the target device. Start and use Windows 10 from a USB key. Connect the USB key and start the system. At the Dell logo, press F12 multiple times. Choose the USB key in the BIOS boot menu. You now have started an operational Windows 10 Mini running on your USB key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe. Help me make a dream of 100,000 subscribe at https://goo.gl/loadzut.